Hey, I said I was going to do a follow-up video on that gate that I made. They finally got it installed, so we're going to check this thing out. Let's look at it. All right, here it is. Looks like they got the 4x4s in the ground. They got everything measured out right. I just told them to basically make sure it's even across the top here and a 2-inch gap right here, which they've done that, and they're still letting everything set up, it looks like. So turned out really nice. Notice they had to have one in the ground a little bit further than the other because the difference in height from one side of the driveway to the other. I really like it. They got the reflectors on it. Okay, good deal. Love it. Y'all have a great day.